Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a new fabric haul. I did a little bit of Black Friday shopping and my fabrics came in. So I'm going to be sharing with you all those fabrics as well as the projects that I want to make with them. But before I get into the fabric haul and the sewing plans, I'm excited to share with you all a new hobby that I'm excited to start again. A couple years ago, I tried my hand at crochet. I watched a few videos. I didn't watch a lot, but the ones that I watched, I could not get past the chain stitch. Every time they said inserted the hook through the V, I was like, I have no idea what V you see, but I don't see that same V. And so I said no to crochet and I turned to knitting, and I did do a few knitting projects. I did a blanket, I did 2 scarves, but I noticed with knitting, I hold the needles extremely too tight and my thumb always locks up and it sticks like this for like 10 minutes and I have to pull my thumb back. It's a mess. And so recently I was in my local craft store. I was talking with this lady at checkout. She had some yarn in her hand. I assumed she was knitting, but she was like, I actually crochet. She said, I find that I hold my knitting needles too tight and I don't have to hold my crochet hook as tight. Okay, perhaps I need to give crocheting another try because I'm having that same problem. And so I am now taking some classes over on Crafty. Thank you, Crafty, for sponsoring today's video. Crafty is an online community and fantastic resource for creators, crafters, makers, DIYers, where we all can go. We can find inspiration. We can master our current skills if we currently have a hobby that we love, or you can find something new, which is what I'm doing with crochet. And I am so excited about it. If you did not know, Crafty has a wide variety of over 2,000 classes that you can take and learn how to knit, sew, crochet, photograph, paint, woodworking, jewelry making, paper crafts. I mean, the list goes on the variety of classes that they have at Crafty. The classes are broken down in a way where it's easy to follow. It goes step by step, and the instructors are fantastic too. The one that I am following, I am loving. I love the pace at which she's teaching. And she's talking and playing. She's breaking it down Barney style for me, and it's clicking. And I'm really excited about that. And the instructors there at Crafty, they're experts in their fields. And again, the classes are broken down so they're easy to follow and step by step. So if you are looking to start a new hobby in the new year, or if you just want to elevate the skills and grow in the hobby that you already have, then definitely check the link in the description box. The first 1,000 of you to click my link down in the description box will get a full year premium membership to Crafty for only $1.49. This is valid for new members only, but again, a full year premium membership to Crafty, $1.49. This is a perfect time to join the Crafty community and explore some new creative classes. Now that I have shared with you all my new hobby that I'm really excited about, let's go ahead and get into these new fabrics that just came. This is my package here. This is one. I did do a double back. Like I bought this and then I looked back on the site and I bought a little bit more. That one has not arrived just yet, but I got this one. And so let's go ahead and open it. So many of you know, Mimi and I had a fabric store and we closed our store earlier this year. So I'm back out here in these fabric streets, y'all. But I purchased from Blackbird Fabrics, which I've always admired Caroline. I love her story of how she started Blackbird and just how she's expanding it to where she is now. So I absolutely admire and find her story very inspiring. So that is who I ordered from, Blackbird Fabrics, and girl, they done gave me a fabric code. It's like they knew I was out here in these fabric streets. But let's go ahead and get into what I ordered. So this one right here is a 9.5 ounce wool denim. I have it in the color umber, which is like this nice chocolate color here. Here we go. I got it in this nice chocolate color here, which I'm really excited about. So one thing that I had in mind while shopping this, and it's all solids. Okay, so these are going to be all staples. I don't have any pretty prints to share in this one. The next one, I think I ordered one print, but I was shopping with my patterns in mind, my Know Me patterns. I want to do more with them. I have a nice pair of pants, jeans, a jumper. I love my patterns. I need to revisit these a little bit more. And that's what I plan to do now, as well as going into the new year and just all the time. I like want to revisit my patterns a little bit more. Like, say all that to say, all these fabrics that I purchased, I bought them to go with my Know Me patterns. I have this wool denim here, and I got this denim for My first pattern, Know Me 2002. I want to make these pants. These are some fantastic trouser style pants. You can make them in a lot of different fabrics. So you can do a twill, you can do a denim, a chino will be fantastic in these as well. A corduroy like I have here on the cover. But I love these pants. It has a little dark detail at the bottom that kind of gives you that nice tapered leg. And then on view D, those are kind of cropped, but I do want to lengthen those to just have a nice straight leg pant. And I may even change the pocket up on these, change the yoke on the back to where it's just, you know, a straight back piece as opposed to the yoke and then the other part of the back. So it's time to like have some fun for my pattern. So I got this brown denim here to go with the pants on my Know Me pattern 2022. Girl, not 2022, 2002, okay? Know Me 2002, I got this chocolate denim for that. Again, this is from Blackbird, 9.5 ounce wool denim. This one right here may be another denim. Let me see. Another denim, another 9.5 ounce wool denim. This one here is in black. And I got this one to make another pair of those pants on Know Me 2002. So I have two denims for that. I believe I got the same. I got 2 yards of the black and the brown. So that's what I had in mind. I want to make both of these pants again off of this pattern. Okay, another black. This one right here is a crisp cotton chino twill. I got 3.5 yards of this fabric and I purchased it to go with Know Me 2096. This is my latest pattern. It's a top and a jumpsuit and I want to make this again. So I got this black to make a nice black jumpsuit. So that was what I had in mind for this one. This one right here is the same crisp cotton chino twill. This one I got 4 yards and I got this one in the color Midnight Blue. Midnight Blue here. I got this to make another trench. So Know Me 2089. I got 4 yards of this because I want to lengthen the pattern out so that is, it won't be like floor length, but maybe a little bit past the knee. Maybe calf length-ish. We'll see how long I'm able to lengthen the patterns. But again, I did get 4 yards and I got it because I want to lengthen out my trench pattern here. I think it'll be fantastic for fall. Again, this pattern is Know Me 2089. And that is what I had in mind when I purchased this midnight chino crisp twill here, this crisp cotton chino twill. And again, I got 4 yards of it. I'll be the first to say it, okay? It's kind of a boring haul, okay? It's not exciting. I didn't get anything vibrant, anything popping, but I'm happy because I was intentional when I was shopping. So I didn't just buy things because they were pretty, because there's a lot of pretty things, but I wanted to just make sure I got things for my pattern so I can start sewing them more, sharing some things, and maybe even having like some one-on-one or small group classes or something just for my patterns. Even though I have the sew along available, being able to sew it live could be something that people are interested in. So again, really happy, really excited about my haul of staples of denims and bottom weights. But that is all for the video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down for me below. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you do not miss when the next video goes live. And I will see you all then. Blessings, everyone. Bye.